these are ODI grips. I like them. I like the long neck better, but I just want to give these a try. I'm starting to like them. They're red, just like the frame. Yeah, they're really good. And yeah, I plan on running them more in the future. Okay, next is the bars. We have Odyssey Highway bars. I believe the height of them are 9.5. I believe the width is 29. I believe inches. They're thermal, so if they break, I can get a new one, new bars, and I love them. They're perfect. Okay, we got the clamp. It's not a scooter. This is a gooseneck. This is a gooseneck, well, stem. I like to call it a gooseneck. So it's a Odyssey. No, it's not. It's a Haro stem. I'm not sure the name of it is. I like the I just like it, really. It's super good. Okay, the next thing is my headset. I run a Odyssey integrated headset. Best headset ever to ride. I love it. Okay, the forks. We run Odyssey forks. R32 forks, just like the car. Ha. Cha-ching. It's like they're good when I do a nollie, and they just feel like real good. I like it. I like the chemistry, the generics and stuff. I'm not sure what peg that is. So it's a Haro peg, but I'm not sure what the name is if you guys want to buy it. Okay, to tires. I run Demolition Momentum tires. Best tires, they're the lightest tires. They're the lightest wire beaded tires in the game, on the market. They're perfect, and ever since I got on them, I just love them. They're the best tires that you can get. So yeah, I just love them. Okay, the pedals I run are Odyssey Twisted pedals. They're super clean. I'm gonna need to get another one. So when I was done, I realized this build was like Gucci. So I like it. So yeah, they're really good. They last pretty long, surprisingly. Okay, next part. It's really good. I like this color, the raw. Amazing. Okay, now to the seat post. You may think this is scratched, but this is the Shadow seat post. It's a short one. I like it because it just looks cool. Like it looks like paint going down, like dripping, and I like it a lot. I usually ride a fist from here, and yeah. I really like it. So the seat, this is a Shadow pivotal seat. I forget the name of it. Since I went to a skate park, and since I have a red bike, I was thinking red seat, my mom was like no, but I got it anyway because it just looked clean. I wasn't going to put the old seat on. There's a tree. Hopefully no tree falls on me. Okay, for the bottom bracket, I run Odyssey best. I love them. Oh, I forgot my cranks. I run Haro 78 cranks. They're actually really strong, and I might start running them more. They're really strong. I like how beefy they are. It's amazing. I wouldn't want anything else. Okay, next thing, my chain. What's the chain? I don't know the name, but I know it's a Shadow chain. I run a Shadow chain. It goes black, silver, black, silver, black, silver, and I like the color scheme because it matched this. So I forget the name. This is the strongest chain in BMX. It won't break. It won't, like from hearing from other like BMX riders riding this, even if they don't ride for Shadow, they ride it because it won't break. You know, same back tire. So this rim, this is my Haro cassette rim. This is a Haro front rim thing. Came with my old bike. So my other bike, I broke 3 spokes and damaged my rim liner thing, and so I needed to put this on. So I was like, I don't want to ride this, but I've actually gotten pretty used to it, and it's actually being pretty fun. So my regular setup is I have a free coaster. It's an Odyssey Hazard Light V2 free coaster with the rim, with the Hazard Light rim and spokes. Super good. It's amazing actually. So love riding these parts. Okay, now you guys all have been waiting for the frame. Okay, so this is a BSD frame. It's a signature frame. What's his name? I got the one wrong. Sorry, guys. It is Alex D signature frame. That's not his last name, but it's Alex D's signature frame. It's the Alex frame, whatever you call it. The geometry on this frame is amazing. This is the shortest back end in BMX. It's so good for manuals, but it's loopy. It helps you get that balance point that you need. So I love it. This is a 20.3 top tube, same top tube as my other one, but this bike's actually a little bit smaller because the back end. So, and I love the color of it. I'm gonna need to clean this thing though. Yeah, I just love the color of it. My next frame, I think I'm gonna wait to see, because I might build a park build, because this thing, you can't put brakes on this frame. And I kind of want to ride brakes again, you know, just to see how it would be. And yeah. Okay, so that's the end of my bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys see the parts that I ride. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.